Okay, thank you so much, Teresa. Veronica, how did you feel?
Really embarrassed.
You did a great job.
I didn't feel really that
You're so cute in doing that movement, you know? And Teresa, thank you so much. Happy birthday. And of course, Veronica, congratulations. You're now entering the first year of mid-school in States. What particular school?
of course.
No. I haven't heard that before. Alright, Ma'am Teresa, in behalf of Jollibee, I would like to thank everyone and you, of course, with this